by exploiting natural wealth and colonizing the Indonesian people. This company has become the most expensive company in the world, recorded in history so far is the VOC, or Verenigde Oost-Indische Company, which has been operating in Indonesia since 400 years ago. In Indonesia, the name VOC can be said to be very familiar. The VOC, which is often identified with this company, is a Dutch trading joint venture company that was formerly headquartered in Amsterdam. Its main business is finding resources, especially spices in the archipelago, and then trading them to the European market. In practice, the VOC, which was also known to have thousands of mercenaries, imposed a monopoly on the spice trade to the rulers in the archipelago. The VOC was given special privileges by the Kingdom of the Netherlands to exercise a monopoly and deal with the rulers in the archipelago, including fighting local authorities. It was these special powers that made the VOC quickly develop into a giant company and reap huge profits from the spice trade. The VOC itself was around 200 years old. This trading company collapsed due to acute losses and rampant corruption. Its assets were then transferred to the Dutch colonial government. During its heyday, the VOC was valued at 78 million Dutch guilders, which means its value in modern times is equivalent to $7.9 trillion. VOC is equivalent to the value of the world's 20 largest capitalized companies, which include Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, ExxonMobil, Berkshire Hathaway, Tencent and Wells Fargo. If you use this calculation, the value of the VOC company can only be surpassed by the combination of the 20 most expensive companies in the universe that still exist today. Assuming that the value of the VOC in its heyday was 78 million Dutch guilders, this means that so far no giant company has been able to match the value of the VOC trading partnership.